What's up, YouTube? And this time I'm back with a fun video. I don't know how many of you all are into ChatGPT and the whole AI thing, but you can create your own action figure. You all may have seen this. They've actually have an action figure challenge going around, and today I'm going to run through an how-to on how to create your own AI action figure using ChatGPT. Now I'm starting out on the Forbes.com website, and it gives the instructions here on how to start it, how to make your own action figure, and these are the steps that I followed here. And so the first thing you do is you sign into chatgpt.com. It's free to sign up. Use an email address, create a password, and you're in. Once you've done that, you see where it says add a prompt, and then the prompt, this is what I use here, nice and simple. You see a picture of a collectible action figure entitled, and you can give it whatever name, and then it basically puts it into an actual action figure packaging, like when you were to buy an X-Men action figure. You guys know how that looks. And then everything in the brackets, you change the name, change the description to your liking, to what you want it to be, so it looks like you. And another thing, when you upload a picture, you can do a headshot. I did one with a headshot, which I'm going to show you all. And I'm going to go through an actual walkthrough with a longer body picture of me to see how that looks. So if you just use your face, ChatGPT will give you a body. It may be too short. You may not like it. So if you want a better accurate looking picture of yourself, you can include a full body shot. It's up to you. And like I said, in the brackets, you just change the names, call it whatever you want to call it. And you copy and paste that, put that into Chat GPT. After you upload a picture, when you upload a picture, it's going to ask you, what do you want it to do? And then that's from where you copy and paste this part here. So that's what we're going to do. And let me get over to the Chat GPT site. This is Forbes. You can see the website up here if you all want to go and see the instructions, because there's more on this website, but this is basically all that we need to focus on. So now I go to this tab, chatgpt.com. Now this is what I did at first, and let me scroll up, and it should have it there. Or did it take it away? Because this is the first picture that I put together, and then it looks like it may have erased it. Let's see here. Oh no, here it is. This is what I was looking for. So this is what I did at first. This is the picture that I use. You see, that's just a headshot, just my face. And then after I put that in, I typed add a prompt. When I did that, then ChatGPT responds with got it. You've uploaded an image. What would you like me to do with it? Edit, describe it, blah, blah, blah. So I took the description from the Forbes website, filled in all of the information in the brackets, and customized it. And then you all can read that and you can see what I use. It still gave me teeth, so I couldn't take that out of there. I was trying to do smiling expression with no teeth showing, but it still did it. You probably have to tweak it a little bit. And this is the image that it created. This is my first action figure. So it's got me in sports gear, ready for the summer. My sun sign, Taurus, and then my full name at the bottom, and then there it is. Now I'm using this picture here. This is more of a full body picture. It's not having my feet, but it's more than just my face. So when I add this picture, then I press enter. Go here to upload it. There we go. Not enter. Well, you can press the up arrow. Then it asks me, want me to create a new collectible action figure image based on this one, or would you like to update the previous figure with elements from this photo, like the graduation outfit? Now I don't want it adding the graduation outfit. I want to keep it in the sports uh, apparel, but I want to see what it does with the body image. So we want to scroll up, get that same prompt, And I'm gonna take out the no smiling with no teeth showing, since it doesn't do that. Copy it. There's the picture. So now we'll put it down here. Copy and paste. And let's take out this part with no teeth showing. We'll just leave it as a smiling expression. Let's go. Now we wait for it to generate. Let's see how it looks. And that's pretty much all there is to it. If you want to create your own action figure, go to chatgpt.com, as you see up here. Free to sign up. If you don't have an account, use your email address, make up a password, and it takes you to this screen here, and you can get creative. So let's wait for it to generate. Doesn't take too long, but it does take a couple of minutes as the AI puts everything that you put into that prompt, as they call it, the script with the description, all into its system, and then it's going to give you out an action figure image. And so for those of you who are watching this and you've already done this before, how do you all like it? Have you done any other type of tweaks to it in terms of using your own script to make your action figure look a little bit different? Because I have been seeing this earlier this week. Okay, and here we're done, and I just said I'm gonna have to try it out, and I'm gonna do a how-to on it. So this one's a little bit different. So it didn't keep me in the sports apparel. It kept me in my graduation cap and gown from college. And then it throws a computer in there. It's funny, I majored in computer science, and it knew to put that in there. That's not even in the description. And so then it's got the coffee there that looks like Starbucks. So it's got me kind of underdressed for graduation, because I look like I got on shorts, yeah, instead of pants. But this is basically how it looks. You can choose whatever picture you want. Like I said, if you want it to be more accurate to your height, if you find a full body picture of yourself from head to toe, you can upload that. So these are just the two images I use from graduation day from college. And then up here, this was just a regular headshot, this one here, and these are the two images that they gave me. So it's pretty simple to do. You can use that prompt that I have in here, that I showed you all on the Forbes.com website, that I'm highlighting. This will give you everything you need to copy and paste into ChatGPT, and then it will give you your own action figure. And you can also do pets as well. Here's an example: Jetson Super Cat. There's one person put their cat in there, upload an image or whatever you want, and it puts anything in packaging like it's a actual action figure that can go on sale. So that's pretty much it. It's a cool little way to have fun with ChatGPT and experiment with artificial intelligence, and make your own 3D image of yourself. So that's that. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know down in the comments if you tried this. Comments don't let you post pictures, I don't think. But if you want to post links to your own AI generated action figures, you can put those down in the comments so we can all share. You can see my two here. as I'm scrolling up and down. Uh, Thumb up the video. As always, subscribe. Let me know more what you all think about this down in the comments. Are you already using ChatGPT? Are you using something else? I use Claude AI personally, but Claude isn't capable of doing this. I actually asked it, and so, but ChatGPT is obviously. And the channel is Facts or Feelings, all one word, no spaces. Put that down in the YouTube search, no spaces, and my channel comes right up. And my YouTube email, if you all want to send me videos or topics to discuss, that is cregier.mj@gmail.com. Again, that's CREGIER period mj@gmail.com. Send videos and topics for discussions to that email address, and then I can get on it and put that content out. But I just want to come to you guys with a fun how-to on how to create your own AI action figure using ChatGPT. And I'm pretty sure this is just the tip of the iceberg in terms of what we'll be able to do with ChatGPT and AI in general. And you can do this with your kids. It's something fun and just to generate how you would look if someone was selling your name, image, and likeness, as they call it in the NCAA in the store, your NIL. So here we go. That's it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I am out.